Komiti mar somo e od bura osiro jopuonj ma osebedo katiyo hoho mar okak mar Kenya mane okum kod duol mandiko jopuonj kuom dhi e ng'anyo mamuol nikech nok arita magikalo e gwenge magitiye. Jakom mar komitono Julius Meli mane loso e kinde nyasi moro e kaunti ma Nandi oseyo duol mandiko jopuonj kuom remo winjo jopuonj go mathothgi to ywago mana ngimagi nikech nok mar arita. Meli koro dwaro mondo TSC odwok jopuonj go e tich kendo owinj ng'uro magengo.
Teachers from Mandera who are often demonstrating at the Teacher Service Commission headquarters every now and then, and I want to ask them, let them continue like that, because you cannot teach when your life is under threat. You cannot do a lesson plan. You cannot sit and attend a child when there is somebody threatening your life. I want to ask the commissioners who interdicted the teachers, let them try and have 1 or 2 weeks of working as teachers, because most of our commissioners are teachers, are former teachers. I want them to go to Mandera for 2 or 3 weeks, stay in the same stations, live in police cells, and also work under difficult circumstances like the teachers. We cannot tolerate, we cannot accept, and we are saying as a leadership and as members of Education Committee that those teachers has to be transferred because they are under threat. They must be taken to safe areas, or the leaders of those particular places watupatie hakikisho hawa walimu waachiliwe waende.